It could go in any direction. That's why you could walk into Drone Box and watch your ideas germinate to fruition. Just watch it materialize. I think the co-founders does a great job by kind of synergizing what you have intrinsically and sort of manifesting that externally and bringing that to life. It brings your imagination. Drone Box brings a creative person's imagination to life. And it does it in a sort of raw, organic way. Not in an over-professional, it's not in a professional, over-commercialized way. When something is over-professional, over-commercialized,
Yeah, absolutely.
there's a high level of inauthenticity to it, right? So it's sort of natural, it's raw, it's organic, and it's also professional, but it's to a level where it kind of really...
It does say something about yourself. This trail that you leave of ideas and thoughts, that is telling in its own way.
Yeah, we are sort of in a situational irony because there is not to crack. This is who I am, my authentic self. There's nothing beyond this point. I can transcend into different dimensions.